the largest democracy, the most strongest democracy, and democracy where people believe in peace, love, harmony, and togetherness. Here I have come to express my solidarity with you all in this very important and historical day marking Women's Day. In my experience as someone who has been crusader to establish the rights of women, I understand the importance of being here among you today. The gathering in Berlin is unique as it is held to discuss one of the most serious challenges of the world facing today, that is Islamic fundamentalism. It is also coincides with International Women's Day, which makes it even more important as misogyny is in the center of Islamic fundamentalism. We are here to support the message of tolerance and equality and against extremism and fundamentalism. The message can be best advanced in no better occasion than the International Women's Day, as women are the prime victims of intolerance and the fundamentalist groups, and they remain the source of intolerance in today's world. Women suffer the most, whether it is internal arms conflict, whether it is war, whether it is violence at home. No one doubts that the roots of Islamic fundamentalism go back to when the Iranian regime came to power in 1979. But today, we have the opportunity to come to this gathering and tell the women of Iran and those brave women in Camp Liberty that you are not alone. We are here to stand with Mrs. Razavi in the idea of building a global front of women against fundamentalism and extremism. I will be going to the UN meeting after this. You know that in the United Nations we are celebrating 20 years since the Beijing conference took place in China, in Cairo. I will convey your message that Mrs. Razavi's 10-point plan for a free Iran is the right choice. You may have heard that the Iranian regime is worried that their corrupt record of discrimination against women will be exposed at upcoming UN conferences. And they have said that it is better to check the reports that will be presented there. The truth is that it is clear to all that the regime has no respect for women. We have heard stories after stories of acid attacks, killings, persecuting women for no reason. The regime has no respect for women, and the main target and victims are women. But tonight, we are here to send the strong message that Iran will be freed in the hands of these very courageous women under the leadership of Mrs. Razavi. It is an honor to commemorate all the courageous women who have given their lives in the path of freedom. I salute all the courageous women in Iran who never surrendered to the Iranian regime. And it is an honor to be here speaking on behalf of all the courageous women of Camp Liberty who have not given up their struggle despite the inhuman treatment against them. Also, it is an honor to call on stage. Now, I want to introduce the two courageous women who are here. I think they were already told to you. Onikol Bobonazorova. She is the mother of human rights from Kazakhstan, a winner of Women of Courage Award of 2014. And also, Aniza Ahmed. Woman of Courage, winner of 2012, former Equality Minister of Maldives. Thank you very much.